set off in search of honey.
Hang on tightly, Roo.
Well, thank you, Piglet.
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious!
Right this way. Hey, Tigger.
They're far. They're here. They're insincere. Beware. 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 I have a lot of Woozles. His family and Woozles. I have a lot of Woozles and we slide, slide, slide. While they come in ones and twozles. But if they're so choozles, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Multiply. So beware. Because they come to live the shaping size, 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 size. They come is what you come for. They love because they love.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh! Wake up! Wake up, Pooh!
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh!
Hooray! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Hooray!
Happy birthday.
Hooray!
I'm sure you'll find my present to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious!
You'll never guess what it is.
The wonderful thing about Tigger is they give the bestest presents.
Oh, sure.